Hey there, welcome back to AI Geeks. Today, I've got something incredible to share with you. A tool that's going to take your creativity to the next level. Introducing Vidu. Vidu is the ultimate AI video generation platform that unlocks unlimited possibilities for your imagination. Whether you want to bring your photos to life, turn your ideas into stunning videos, or create content with perfect consistency, Vidu makes it easy. The link is available in the video description, so I must check it out. Here is the dashboard. Let's try its features one by one. Reference to video. The reference to video feature in Vidu helps you create videos aligned with specific characters, objects, and environments using multi-entity consistency. To use this feature, start by uploading the images you want to include in your video, such as characters or objects. Next, enter a detailed prompt describing the scene, including actions, movements, and the environment you want the AI to generate. Once the prompt is ready, set the video details like duration, resolution, and aspect ratio to match your preferences. Finally, hit the Generate button and Vidu's AI will create a high-quality video that brings your vision to life. This feature makes it easy to transform ideas into stunning videos while ensuring consistency across all elements in the scene. Image to video. The image to video feature in Vidu makes it easy to transform static images into dynamic, animated videos. To use this feature, start by uploading the image you want to animate, such as a character, product, or artwork. Once uploaded, customize the video settings to suit your needs. Adjust the duration to decide how long the video will run. Select the resolution and choose an aspect ratio. After finalizing the settings, simply hit the Generate button and Vidu's AI will bring your image to life as a captivating video. This tool is perfect for adding motion and creativity to your visuals in just a few easy steps. Text to video. The text to video feature in Vidu lets you turn written ideas into stunning videos quickly and easily. To use this feature, start by entering your text in the prompt box. Describe your vision in detail, including the scene, characters, actions, and the environment you want to bring to life. The more specific your description, the better the results. Next, customize your video settings. Set the duration to determine how long the video will run, select the resolution, and choose an aspect ratio. Once everything is ready, click the Generate button. Vidu's AI will interpret your text and create a high-quality video that matches your description. This feature is perfect for turning ideas into engaging video content without needing images or complex editing skills. Now let's try other AI features: AI Kiss, AI Hug, and more. Let's try AI Hug. The AI Hug feature in Vidu lets you create emotional, heartfelt moments in your videos, like characters sharing a hug. To use this feature, start by uploading the images of the characters you want to feature in the scene. These could be friends, family members, or any characters you've designed. Once the images are uploaded, simply hit the Generate button and Vidu's AI will bring your characters to life by animating the hug scene. The AI ensures the movement is realistic, making the moment feel warm and emotional. It's a simple and powerful way to add personal, touching moments to your videos with ease. Next, here we have a new AI outfit feature. The AI outfit feature in Vidu allows you to create videos with customizable outfits for your models. To use this feature, start by uploading a photo of the clothing you want to feature in the video. This could be any outfit from casual wear to formal attire. Next, upload an image of the model you'd like to wear the clothing. Once both the clothing and model images are uploaded, simply hit the Generate button. Vidu's AI will seamlessly place the outfit on the model. Creating a realistic video of the model wearing your chosen clothing. This feature is perfect for fashion designers, marketers, or anyone looking to showcase outfits in a visually dynamic way. That's it for today's video, everyone. I hope you enjoyed learning about the amazing features of Vidu and how it can help you bring your creative ideas to life with ease. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on more awesome content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.